Hey everyone, welcome back to Make Gaming Easy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable dynamic resolution on Frag Pro Shooter game. So let's get started. First, open the Frag Pro Shooter game on your device. Tap on the settings option from the top right corner of your screen. Now, go to the experimental settings. Within the experimental settings, you can find the dynamic resolution option. To enable the dynamic resolution, tap on the checkbox right beside it. And this is how you can enable dynamic resolution on Frag Pro Shooter game. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.